Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another demo. So in this video, I'm going to demo one of the coolest modular origami models designed by Jeremy Shafer. Check it out. This is one of my favorite ones I made. And it's a really cool star. And this is how it works. It's like a color changing star, so watch when I drop it. See? It was orange and now it turned green. Yep. And then to reset it, you just invert the points like that, and then place it down like this, and just kind of invert the middle enough, like this, just about like that. Yep, and then now you're ready to drop it. So I think it's best to find a smooth surface, a smooth desk or table, or you can do it on the ground if it's smooth. And yeah, yep, it's pretty cool. And pretty much the only thing I hate about it though is that it's so hard to connect the units together. It's a pretty challenging model, but I had some luck with it, and yeah, and I think it's really cool. Yep. I mean, the units were easy to fold, but attaching them was a challenge. But yeah, but the result is really cool. Yeah, isn't that cool? And I made a short of this model right here if you want to see that in this card. Yeah, I'm going to do it one more time. And it also makes nice fireworks too. He mentioned that in his video, if you put two of them together. Yeah, this is one of my favorite modular models he made. And yeah, alright, well that's pretty much it. And here's the tutorial if you want to learn how to fold it. If you're experienced enough to fold it, because it's pretty challenging. Alright, well, hope you guys like that. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you with the tutorial out soon. Alright, bye bye.